Hi guys, it's your girl Shemika Chantal here, and I made a flower wall. That right there. I didn't record a detailed video of what all I did, but you do need flowers. I took them off the stems, and you also need hot glue gun and a lot of glue sticks. Just a whole lot. And also a foam poster board. So one like this. Y'all hear that? That's how it should sound. Very sturdy. And that's my end product. I will post a picture in this video so you can see what it looks like in the end, or I guess actually when I hang it up and take pictures and all that. But yeah, I made a flower wall. It's super easy. It doesn't, it might take a few hours for you to do so you can really lay it out how you would like. But yeah, you guys can make this at home. It's so super easy, and I'm thinking about making another one. Hi guys, back again. What I didn't mention is I got the flowers from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. You can also get your flowers from the dollar store or Michael's or Joann's or the craft store, Hobby Lobby. You just have to look, and whatever your budget is, you go on that. But Walmart had these flowers for like $1.88, 97 cents. A bunch for $5. You just have to shop around. Guys, I made a flower wall, and this is my end product. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, my flower wall is not like everybody else's that I've seen, which is like all flowers or all one color. I wanted to, do something a little different, something bright. And this is what I got. Hi guys, I made another board. As you can see, I got my flowers. I got my glue gun. And I got my glue sticks. And you take the flower off the stem, and then you cut off the little knob off the back, make it flat like that, and you put the glue on there, and then you glue it on. Hi guys, I'm back. This is the final look of my flower wall. I did two of them. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. I just put them side by side. I stuck them to the wall with command strips on the back of the wall. These strips right here, I don't know if you can see it, brightness, there you go. These command strips, the 4 large, so I put 4 of the large ones on each one, and I stuck them to the back of the board and then onto the wall. So yes, that is it. Cute, simple. I really like it, and I think I did a really, really great job.